In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple files in Audacity. If you're working with several audio recordings and want to bring them into one project quickly, Audacity makes that process very simple. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to import multiple audio files, arrange them so they play one after another, and then merge them into a single track. This is especially useful if you're combining clips for a podcast, narration, music project, or any other audio edit. To begin, open Audacity and go to the File menu. From there, choose Import and then select Audio. A file browser window will appear. At this point, you'll want to select all the audio files you want to bring into your project. If you're using Windows, hold down the Control key while clicking each file. If you're on a Mac, hold down the Command key instead. This allows you to choose multiple files at the same time. Once all your files are selected, click Open. Audacity will import each file as its own separate track. That's helpful because it gives you flexibility before combining everything. Once the files are visible in your project, the next step is to select them all. To do that, click on Select, then choose All. This makes sure every imported track is included in the next action. Now go to the Tracks menu, find Align Tracks, and choose Align End to End. What this does is place the files in sequence, so the second track starts right when the first one ends, the third starts after the second, and so on. This is a very important step if you want your audio clips to play continuously instead of all starting at the same time on separate tracks. After that, if your goal is to merge everything into one single audio track, you'll need to select all the tracks again. Go back to Select and choose All so everything is highlighted. Then open the Tracks menu, choose Mix, and click Mix and Render. Audacity will now combine those separate tracks into one unified track inside your project. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple files in Audacity, lined them up in the correct order, and merged them into one track. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to listen through the final result after mixing to make sure the transitions sound the way you expect. If needed, you can always undo and make adjustments before exporting your finished audio.